The broadcast or cable system has issued a required monthly test for the following counties/areas: Redville, PL, Orangeville, PL, Yellowville, PL, Greenville, PL, Blueville, PL, Purpleville, PL, Flush City, PL, Clinton, PL, Pacific, PL, Green, PL, Floodtown, PL, effective from 10:15 am on September 5th, 2026, effective until 11:15 am. Message from WMEA-FM. This is a test of the emergency alert system. The broadcasters and cable systems in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.